Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Nova 10 SE and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this phone. Let's start by opening the control panel on our phone. To open the control panel, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen or top right side of the screen like this, and once you open this panel, swipe down again on here to open the list of shortcuts. And as you can see, we have a bunch of icons and one of them is Do Not Disturb mode. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, then tap on Enable, and the mode will be enabled. You can tell by this icon right here next to the battery icon. Also, if you open the control panel and open the list of icons, the icon will be highlighted. It will have blue color on it. It means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, simply open the control panel, open the list of icons and tap on the icon again to disable it. The icon will change the color back to gray and also it will disappear from here. This means that the mode is disabled. You can also press and hold on this icon to open the Do Not Disturb mode settings, and here we can do a couple of things. First, we can enable or disable the mode by tapping on the switch right here. We can also enable or disable the schedule for our Do Not Disturb mode, basically when it turns on automatically and when it turns off automatically. As you can see, we have pre-existing schedule right here. We can turn it on or off. We can tap on it to edit it, and we can change when it's gonna repeat, so on which days it's gonna be active, and from basically this is the time on which it's gonna be turning on, and to it's the time on which it's gonna be turning off. So we can tap on repeat, select the specific days, tap on OK, tap on from, set the time on which it should turn on, maybe something like 9:30, then time on which it turn off, basically maybe 6, like that, and then tap checkmark to save. And here we have our schedule. We have it's gonna work on Tuesday, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays and Sundays, and it's gonna be turning on at 9:30 p.m. and turning off at 6 a.m. and you can turn it on or off. You can also tap on add to add another schedule. You can set it up like that. Like this, and maybe like this. Okay, and then tap the check mark, and here we have it. And you can enable or disable it. You can also press and hold on one. No. Oh, no, never mind. If you want to delete them, you can tap on one to edit it. And at the bottom right here is delete rule. So it's barely visible, but you can tap on it and you can remove the rule. Okay, so that's how the schedules work. Now, below schedules, we have allow call interruptions. And here we can basically customize what can interrupt the Do Not Disturb mode. And we can tap on calls, and here we can select from whom the calls will be able to interrupt the Do Not Disturb mode. You have everyone, contacts only, favorites only, and no one. If you select everyone will be able, or calls from everyone will be able to ignore Do Not Disturb mode, and you will have the sound notification. If you select contacts only people from your contacts list will be able to ignore it. If you select favorites only people on your favorites list will be able to ignore it, and no one will be able to interrupt it. Okay, next we have messages, and this is the same basically. You can select from whom the messages will be able to interrupt Do Not Disturb mode. And you can select everyone, contacts only, favorites only, or no one. And last option is repeated calls. Basically what this option does is when somebody calls you more than once within 15 minutes period, the call will be silenced, won't be silenced anymore. So if you enable this option, that's how it will work. If you disable it, they will be silenced anyway, even though if they call you multiple times. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the settings. And that's how you enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.